Today we are going to start the 7th chapter for class 10 and the name of the chapter is coordinate geometry. Now in the previous class we have studied about how to plot the points and the points lie in which quadrant. Now in this chapter we are going to study two formulas. First formula is known as the distance formula. Next I will discuss about the section formula. Now see what is distance formula. Suppose you are having 2 points A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2. So distance between the points are d under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to calculate the distance between 2 points. Now I am going to prove that how this formula has been derived from the graph. So let us see here. This is our graph. This is your origin. This is your x-axis. This will be your y-axis. Now point A, x1 comma y2, both are positive, so it will lie in the first quadrant. So somewhere here it will lie point A, x1 comma y1, and x2 comma y2. Suppose here it will lie somewhere else B, x2 comma y2. Now see here, we will join from here. This is point suppose L. Then we will join from here. Suppose this is point M. Join from here, and this is our triangle. Now see here, this is suppose point N. So see, distance OL. Distance OL lies on the x-axis. So OL will be our x1. OM lies on the x-axis, so this distance OM will be our x2. Now distance LM, this much is x1, this much is total x2. So rest part LM. LM is x2 minus x1. This LM will be your x2 minus x1. Now AL distance, this AL distance lie on the y-axis, so this AL will be our y1. And BM, this BM will be your y2. This distance BN, this total is y2. This part is y1. So BN will be y2 minus y1. Now this part is LN. So LN will be equal to AN. Both are equal. So here AN will be equal to LM will be equal to x2 minus x1, and dn we have calculated, that is y2 minus y1. So this part is x2 minus x1 and this part is y2 minus y1. Now we calculate here AB by applying the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABN. This is our right angle triangle. So we apply here Pythagoras theorem. It says that here in triangle ABN, AB square, by that is hypotenuse, AB square is equals to AN square plus BN square. So AB we have to calculate. This is the distance. AB square is equal to AN. Value of AN is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square will be moved this side, it will go in the square root sign. So AB will be under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and this is our distance formula to calculate the distance between 2 points. Formula is AB, distance AB is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we are going to solve some questions based on this distance formula. Now let us see some questions here. So see, first question we will solve with the very easiest part. Find the distance find the distance between points A minus 5 comma 7 and B minus 1 comma 3. So we apply a distance formula to calculate the points. Here this point will be our x1, this will be our y1, this will be our x2 and this will be our y2. Now here we are going to calculate distance AB by applying the formula of distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So under root x2 is minus 1 minus of minus 5 will become plus 5 plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 7. So when you will solve here, 5 minus 7 will be 4. It will be 4 square plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4. It will be your minus 4 square. So 4 square will be your 16. Minus 4 square will also be your 16. So under root 32. So under root 32 is the answer. So root of, so AB value, AB will be your root 32 units. So this is the procedure to calculate the distance between the 2 points. Now see the next question. Okay, now we are going to start the second question. Now see, second question is find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Now this word equidistant means having the same distance. So we can take here, let point P x comma 0. Now why I have taken x comma 0? Because any point on the x-axis will be your x comma 0. Now we can take this point as A, suppose 2 comma minus 5, and we can take this point as minus 2 comma 9. Now this point is A, having the same distance from A, and this point is P, having the same distance from B also. So we can write here as AP is equal to BP. They are having the same distance. Now if you apply here the distance formula. For AP this is our x1 y1, for AP this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So when we apply the formula here, it will come 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 minus 0 whole square. This side for BP, this becomes our x2 y2. So minus 2 minus x. Minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square. So here we can apply the formula of a minus b whole square. So formula is a square, that is 4, plus b square minus 2ab plus minus 5 minus 0 is minus 5 square is 24. Minus and we take it outside, so it becomes plus. So here we can apply the formula of x plus 2 whole square. So formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab and it will be your 9 square is 81. Now for removing the square root sign, we have to square both the sides. So here what we do, squaring both the sides. Squaring both sides. So when we square both the sides, so square root sign is removed. So what is left here? 4 plus x square minus 4x plus 25 is equal to 4 plus x square plus 4x plus 18. Now x square plus x square and plus x square will be cancelled from here. Plus 4 and plus 4 will be cancelled from here. So minus 4x, this value also transfer this side, it will be minus 4x. Minus 4x is equal to 81 minus 25. it will be minus 8x is equal to 6. It will be our 56. So value of x will be 56 upon minus 8. 8 1 ja, 8 7 ja. So value of x is minus 7. So value of x is minus 7. So our point is what? Our point is p, x comma 0. So at the place of x, put here minus 7. So point will be minus 7 comma 0, and this will be our answer. So this minus 7 comma 0 is equidistant from A also and B also. Now let us see the next question here. Now see here question number 3rd. Now question number 3rd is, if the point A 0, 2 is equidistant from the points B 3, P and C P, 5. So find the value of P. Find the value of P. Also find length AB. Now here what we do? First of all, see, well, if the point A 0, 2 is equidistant from B and C. So point A is having the same distance from B also and from C also. So here we can take out by applying BA will be equal to CA. It means that they are having the same distance. So apply value of A. So here we can apply this value is x1 y1. This is your x2 y2. So 3 minus 0 whole square plus p minus 2 whole square is equal to CA. We can apply p minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. So 3 minus 0 will be 3 and 3 square is 9 plus, here we apply the formula of A minus B whole square. So formula is A square plus B square minus 4AB. P minus 0 square means B square only. 5 minus 2 will be 3 and 3 square is 9. So again, to remove the square root sign, squaring both the sides, square root sign is removed. So here it will get 9 plus 3 square plus 4 minus 4p is equal to p square plus 9. So plus p square and plus p square will be cancelled. 9 plus 4 will be 13 minus 4p is equal to 9. So 9 transform this side. So 13 minus 9 is equal to 4p. 4 is equal to 4p. Value of p will be 1. So find the value of p. First part, value of p is 1. Also find the distance AB. Distance AB. So value of A. So value of A is your 0, 2. Value of B 3, 1. Now calculate distance AB by applying the distance formula. That is 3 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus 2 whole square. So it will come 3 minus 0 is 3 square 9. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 whole square is 1. So under root 10. So distance will be your under root 10 units and value of p will be your 1. Now in the next video I will come with some more questions based on distance found.